Hey, do you guys approve this meat? Yeah, approve? Hey, shit, it's legal. You gotta make sure. I don't want to get pulled over.
All right, man, but we're all good. You just bought the Proto. I'm gonna.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode, bro. I am hyped, bro. Based on today's title, I should be sad, right? And I'll tell you why I was, and I'll tell you the whole story right now. I will literally tell you at the end of this video, so do not click out. I'll tell you at the end of the video why I am this hyped, and it has to do with the Z, so stay tuned. But anyways, my name's BeDistinct. I have a supercharged G35, and for the past few videos, I've been trying to get the Nissan Z. You guys know TJ Hunt got his Z. I think now Dustin William has a Nissan Z, and somebody locally in Sacramento, shout out to Sac City Auto Parts, congratulations to that brother. He also got a Nissan Z from Bakersfield, so I'm like, what the frick? So I was like, dude, I gotta get game on. I gotta get my hands on the Z. Like, so you guys don't know, I have mine currently reserved at the Roseville dealership. And initially it was gonna get here in 2 months, but it hasn't. It's been almost 2 months, but it's not gonna get here. It's still in production, so I don't know when it's gonna get here. With that being said, I was out in the market trying to look for another Z that's in here, it's present in the US, and trying to buy it, right, without having to pay $100,000+. And this is where the story begins. I'm also gonna go to a car meet later, so enjoy that footage at the end of the video, of course. I'm not sure if it was the first Nissan, but everybody was saying it was the first Nissan Z in California that got shipped there. Actually, one of my friends told me, he's like, hey bro, there's a Nissan Z that just unloaded in Sac. So that's when we made that one video right here. I was calling every single dealership trying to find that Nissan Z, because it wasn't for Sac, because when it showed up to Sac, it had other Nissan vehicles that they needed to unload for that Sac location, Sacramento location, but the Nissan Z wasn't for them, so it got loaded back in. I was trying to locate it, called 1,000 dealerships, nobody could tell me where it was at. Turns out that Z was actually the one that was headed towards Los Angeles. Also, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna leave the dealership unanimous, and I'm gonna leave the guy who helped me unanimous. That person who's helping me, let's call him person A. I reach out to him, he made a post on the Nissan Z, hey, it's here, let me know if y'all interested, blah blah blah. I shoot my shot like Devin Booker, and boom, I'm in his DMs, bro. So I'm like, bro, how much is this? Let's do this. Bam. So he's like, bro, the Nissan Z is here, let me talk to my manager, I'll help you out. He was super nice, everything. So he goes to his manager, it's like, yo, how much we selling the Z for? I'm like, okay, cool. This all happened in one day. It was in the morning, okay? So I was kind of getting a little bit not too hyped, because if it was expensive, then cool, I just didn't get it, and I would have been sad. I was like, okay, it's expensive, I didn't get it, oh well. But this one hurt me, or this one kind of didn't hurt me, but I was a little bummed out. That's all. I was just a little bummed out. But here's why. So guy comes back, person A who's helping me comes back, hey dude, the Nissan Z is available for $99,000. Oh shit, I am not paying $99,000. I've seen that price tag before. I am not paying that. So I have mine reserved for $79,000. Let's just call it $80,000 at the Roseville dealership. And so I was like, dude, I got mine for $80,000. It's not here yet, but I have mine reserved. I'm really not trying to pay anything more than that, bro. Like, really. So I was like, okay, cool, let me talk back. So he goes back, prefers the message, comes back, boom, the lowest, bro, honestly, $89,000, bro. Like, literally, that's like the bare minimum. Like, fuck, dude, I can't, bro. I cannot see myself buying that for $89,000. I can't, bro. I'm sorry. But trying to help me out. This person A, salesperson, he's really trying to help me out, and I appreciate him and everything he's done for me. He was really cool and really nice. So he's like, bro, can you like meet me in the middle somewhere around that thing? I was like, dude, like, I really want the Z. So I was like, bro, can we do like 83 maybe? Does that help? 83,000? So then he kind of refers back the message. According to me, I think they accepted 83, because he's like, yeah, bro, I think 83 is cool. So then we start doing finance paperwork. They run my credit, and I send them, you know, documentation like taxes and whatnot. And so this thing's getting done, right? And then a couple minutes later, the owner of the dealership, but the daughter of the owner of the dealership, gives me a call with the person A that's helping me, right? So then she calls me, she's like, hey, I can't really approve you with $18,000 down, or $20,000, not even $22,000. I'm gonna need you to put $25,000. I'm like, fuck, bro, that's a lot of damn money, bro. Damn. But I wanted the Z so bad that I was like, yes, give me it. $25,000 down, bro. I give it to you, homie. I give it to you. Just give me the damn car, right? So then she goes like, okay, cool. You agree with $25,000? I'm like, yes, I agree, $25,000. She's like, okay, cool, let's do this. And so the conversation ends there, right? An hour or two passed by. I'm like, yo, is there an update? A couple hours passed by, like 3 or 4. I haven't heard anything, right? And I'm like, dude, like now I'm pumped. This is why I got bummed out, because now I'm pumped. We discussed numbers. We kind of went back and forth a little bit. They did my finance application. The daughter's owner called me saying like, yo, can you do this? Can you put this more down? And I did it and everything. And so I gave her a call like a couple hours later, because I wasn't getting a response. I was like, yo, what's the update on the Z? Am I getting it? What's kind of the deal, right? It was like, oh yeah, so it turns out that I had your deal already. I had it already. Turns out I talked to my dad and he just really doesn't want to sell it under $95,000. I'm like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bro? The part that got to me is that we kind of went back and forth trying to find the middle point. It seemed like we got there, or I did the finance application, sorry, to get approved and whatnot. Got my credit score ran, stuff like that. And then the deal did not go through because something that could have been solved at the very beginning, you know? And yo, let's do 83. Okay, cool. Let me go approve with my dad. Oh, he doesn't want to sell it for. Boom. That would have been done right there, and we go on our day. My credit score doesn't get ran or anything, right? I kind of got hyped up to it. That's kind of why it hurt a little bit. And so that's how I could not secure the Z. That's basically what happened that day, and I was a little bummed at the end of the day. That's all. But ladies and gentlemen, that changes today, because okay, not only are we going to stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'm going to show you some meat pictures that are also pretty cool chill meat. But here's why. I'm going to just give you a small teaser, guys. Here's my phone right here. Let's go ahead and unlock it. All right, guess this, guys. What does that say? Thank you, Ruben Mendoza. You have completed signing your deal, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the BeDistinct channel, where pursuing your dreams can become a thing, okay? Fell in love building cars in 2018 when I first bought my G35 back in college, and we kind of got addicted to modding cars, right? And it's been a very expensive hobby, I'm not gonna lie. And it's gonna get only more expensive because we have secured a Nissan Z Proto spec manual transmission 6-speed, and it will be here next week. It's not getting shipped from Japan to the US in next week. It's already here. It's actually in another state, so I will be flying to that other state. If you guys want to know, it's right next to California, and it's not Nevada. So I'm flying over to that state, picking up the Z next week and driving it to Los Angeles, because I'm going to horror nights for Universal Studios. We always do this every year, so we'll be going there, and then we'll be driving it straight back here to Sacramento. So dude, that's it, bro. We got the Z, yo. We got the Z, bro. But at what cost? So I will be bringing you guys that video once the Z gets here. But we got it, guys. We freaking got it, bro. This thing, bro, can you guys tell I'm happy, bro? That is insane. I'm super happy. Oh, dude, this is freaking fantastic. And I found it like by a miracle. Like, I will literally explain how I found it when in the Z episode. But dude, anyways, enjoy the rest of this vlog. We went to a chill meet at a freaking parking lot at a college campus, approved by SAC PD, which is a freaking awesome. Never ever heard of that. So check the rest of the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you next episode. Woo! We get in the Z, boys. Peace. Alright, y'all, we're here at the gas station, and this E85 has not dropped. You guys can catch it. It has not dropped since $3.99. Alright guys, so the meat is right here. We're actually in the meat, the parking structure where the meat's at, but we're in the first floor. The meat is all the way somewhere over there in the last floor. So we haven't shown up there. We're actually gonna wait for the brother Subzilla once again to show up with the Supra. You already know we always travel in a pair. We're like little fishies in the ocean. But he's gonna come from where we live. It's about a 15-minute, 20-minute. Hey, ew. This just sounds like a fucking racetrack. What the hell's going on, people? Holy shit, man. Jesus, that is loud as shit. Oh hell no, that is loud as shit. What's up in the gym? always respect babies, guys. If it's a baby, we respect you, bro. Low sound for you, okay? This is very quiet for you, all right? Bro, it's empty. It is empty, and somehow we're waiting in line. It's empty. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here.
That's right there.
Oh, shit. Oh, hella Tesla. Oh, like there's police. They approve. They approve. Hey, do you guys approve this meat? You approve? Hey, shit, it's legal. You gotta make sure. I don't want to get pulled over. I was like, bro, I recognize that car.
Yeah, you know. Little something. I can move over if you want to park.
Next to you?
No.
All right, let me park next to you.
I'm gonna move over.
All right, sounds good. Come over here.
Okay, I see it.
This way. This way. Don't do that again, bro. Don't do that again. The only burnt Supra in America. I think my next build after the Nissan Z is gonna be a Lexus. Either 350, RC 350 or something, bro. These are beautiful cars. Bro. That shit, that boy got wheels for his days.